Welcome to the Gearing Roles Inclusive Innovation presentation by the Centre for Diversity Policy Research and Practice at Oxford Brookes University. This showcases work funded by the EPSRC on spin-outs, where individuals commercialise their research and develop their innovations. We look at the role of gender and improving the access of women to such commercialisation opportunities. But why is inclusive innovation important? A lack of gender diversity in the innovation ecosystem is detrimental to the creation of high-quality inventions. But it's not just about missing out on the talents of women or underrepresented groups. As well as limiting possibilities for the innovations that can be produced, a lack of inclusive innovation can also have serious social consequences. A key example of this is the development of the Threepoint seatbelt system. The Threepoint seatbelt was first developed in 1959, yet it took over 4 decades for this technology to account for the safety of pregnant women. Finally, in 2002, a female engineer named Laura Thackeray adapted the technology and designed a seatbelt that would avoid crushing the unborn child in case of an accident, something which no male engineer had thought of in the original design. This example is used by Professor Lonza Scheibinger, who teaches the history of science at Stanford University and makes a compelling case about the importance of integrating sex and gender analysis into research and development processes, highlighting specifically how making the innovation ecosystem inclusive is not about fixing the women. Instead, there are 3 stages that Professor Scheibinger highlights as important to consider to make the invention and development of new processes and technologies equitable. The first is to increase the number of women participating in STEM subjects. Work for the EPSRC has shown that women are underrepresented across the majority of STEM disciplines, most significantly physical sciences, mathematics, engineering, and technology. The EPSRC project found that there is much room for improvement in the numbers of women founding spin-out companies, as currently only 13% of UK spin-out companies have a woman founder. This idea of increasing the numbers of women participating in the field is referred to as fixing the numbers. The second area to improve is promotion of gender equality in all career levels through structural change. This structural change will be implemented at an institutional level through higher education institutions, through a local level in harnessing an inclusive localised innovation ecosystem, and through national policies that encourage gender equality in research commercialisation. This is called fixing the institutions. The final area to be improved is in research design and participation itself, where sex and gender analysis in research must be integrated into science and technology. By doing so, all innovations that are created will inherently have considered inclusive narratives and needs. This is called fixing the knowledge. Thus far, the landscape of innovation is yet to be an equal playing field. Inclusivity in technology needs to be implemented at every stage from development and production to use, and therefore integrating gendered analysis into innovation is vital for an equal society. Thank you for listening.